All classes. Right turn. Make your line straight. Class nursery. Make your line straight.
Good morning, everybody. Morning, ma'am. Today we have few guests from CBSE.
It teaches us to seize the moment and make it memorable. So let's greet the day with open arms. I am Preeti Devedi, standing here in front of you gladly presenting today's assembly. Thought for the day is the best thing you can speak honest outcomes from your heart. So to enlighten and brighten our today's morning, here Swati will come and give the thought of the day.
व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से एक निर्मित प्राणी है। वह जो सोचता है वही बन जाता है। I repeat my thought. A man is but the product of his thought. What he thinks, he becomes. It means व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित एक प्राणी है। वह जो सोचता है वही बन जाता है। Thank you. Have a nice day.
Request ma'am to come up on the stage to pay tribute to the father of the nation by putting flower garland and offering flowers. I also request our principal ma'am to accompany her.
Narendra Modi has called for collective effort to eliminate the treatable disease of leprosy from the country. A US judge has issued a temporary halt to the deportation of visa holder or refused standard at airport after President Donald Trump issued an order barring entry. Has annexed his 18th Grand Slam trophy in the summit class of the men's single at the Australian Open in Melbourne on Sunday. He defeated arch-rival Rafael Nadal of Spain in 5.
Thank you, Nandini. As you all know, outer knowledge is very important, not only bookies knowledge. Every day we should learn at least 5 or 6 questions. So for that, I would like to call Sonali on stage for today's GK questions.
Very happy good morning to all of you. My name is Sonali Singh. Today's question: which planet can spin clockwise? I am repeating my question. Which planet can spin clockwise? Yes, Venus is right answer. Yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is right answer. Now it's turn for seniors. Which is the largest living structure on earth? I am repeating my question. Which is the largest living structure on earth?
कटमल चाहिए चलेंगे गाना पूरा चाहिए
Good morning, my name is Divyanshree Yadav. I study in class UKG. Today I am going to recite the poem. The title of my poem is Morning had a cat, ear, oh. with a mew mew here and a mew mew there. Here a mew, there a mew, every day a mew mew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his with a bobo here and a bobo there. Here a bow, there a bow, every day a bobo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thank you, have a nice day.
Come up on this stage and tell us about this day.
Good morning, anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter of our nation, so his death anniversary is celebrated as Martyrs' Day to pay homage to him and to the other freedom fighters who gave their life in the freedom of our nation. So students, on this day, I want to tell you a little portion of Mahatma Gandhi's life as a moral story. This is a story when Gandhi's returned from South Africa. A meeting of Congress was held in Mumbai. Kaka Saheb also went there to help. One day, Kaka Saheb found Gandhiji anxiously searching around his desk. "What's the matter? What are you looking for?" Kaka Saheb asked. "I have lost my pencil." He took out his pencil and offered it to him. No, I want my own pencil," Gandhiji insisted like a stubborn child. "Well, use it for the time being," Kaka Saheb said. "I will find your pencil later." Gandhiji said, "You can't understand. That pencil is an affection. I cannot bear to lose it." Kaka Saheb did not argue anymore. He joined Gandhiji in the search. At last, they found the pencil. A teeny pencil, barely 2 inches long, but Gandhiji was very delighted to get it back. Gandhiji was very afraid with that pencil. It was a token of child's love, and for Gandhiji, child's love was very precious.